Let me translate this Jody architect talk for you and make it a little bit simpler. What she's talking about is the fact that an airtight home is great for energy efficiency. It allows you to keep all of that warm air or cool air inside your house, but it is an issue when it comes to moisture. Now, what's important for us all to realise is that we emit about 8 litres of moisture per week simply by breathing. If you add to this steam from cooking or from taking a bath or shower, it becomes a lot more. And then more family members, even more. Where does this moisture go? Well, you might actually see it running down on the inside of your glass windows, but more of it goes onto the walls. Moisture on walls creates mold. It's actually not great for the structure of your home, and it's definitely not great for us to breathe in. How do you deal with this and still keep your home cool or nice and warm in winter? Well, there is a solution. This is a heat recovery ventilation system, or the cool way to say it is a HRV. Now, the warm or cool air from your house is actually dragged through this unit. This is the motor that sits inside, and there's actually a PVC pipe placed in the wall. It allows the air to go from inside the house to outside. Inside this unit, behind the filter, is a ceramic core. Now, this is the way that this works really well. The warm air goes through this system. It actually heats up that ceramic core, and then the air flows outside. When the fresh air is brought back in, it is then heated by taking the heat out of that ceramic core and taking that heat back inside. You're ending up with fresh, warm air. And if you're dealing with it in summer, it does the same, but brings in fresh, cool air. It's such a clever system. By removing all of the air, it also takes all of that moisture outside. And inside, we end up with fresh, filtered air. How clever is that?